A water authority in Texas approached GPT Industries to support a large-scale project, shifting underground well water to surface water. Spanning nearly 80 miles of pipeline, the project was mandated with reducing groundwater use to 60% by 2025 and 80% by 2035. Eliminating leakage and ensuring long-term efficiency of the pipeline was critical to meeting these targets. Flange connections were identified as a key risk due to the potential for leakage and corrosion. The contractor was already familiar with sealing challenges, including ingress and flange corrosion from previous projects. But at this scale, those challenges are amplified. Operating conditions included ambient temperature, 75 pounds per square inch pressure, and potable water service across sizes ranging from 4 inches to 120 inches. A previously used near zero leakage solution would simply not be enough. For this project, they required complete confidence, a true zero leakage solution. All components also needed to meet NSF 61 requirements. At large diameters, gasket design becomes even more critical. Gaskets of this size must be segmented, but how those segments are manufactured and joined makes all the difference. In many designs, improperly made splice points can create a clear leak path, compromising sealing performance exactly where it matters most. With LineBacker, segmentation is not left to the field. Each gasket is precision manufactured in segmented sections at the factory prior to delivery. This controlled process ensures that every segment and every joint meets the same exacting standards as the rest of the gasket. The result is a fully integrated seal, where the jointed areas maintain the same integrity and sealing performance as any other point around the flange. No weak points, no compromise. After careful consideration, the client identified the LineBacker isolation kit as the only viable solution to meet the project's stringent requirements. With proven performance, NSF 61 compliance, and superior manufacturing processes, LineBacker delivered a true zero-leakage solution. GPT worked in close consultation with the client to ensure timely delivery and smooth project execution. In large-scale pipeline infrastructure, performance cannot be left to chance. With LineBacker, even at extreme diameters, every seal, including every segmented joint, is engineered for total confidence. Zero leakage. Proven integrity. At any scale.